Good YouTube, it's your boy King of Kings, man. First name. You already know my name, boy. So look, I ain't even gonna lie. 9 times out of 10, people have caught me at work while filming a masterpiece full of work, right? I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what you gotta do, man. Gotta put in that work. So that next time people see you, they gonna realize like, oh shit, that boy wasn't bullshitting. It's sad. Cause look, now you in the flyest shit. Now you in something you never heard of. Driving something you never, you know what I'm saying, expected you to drive. Cause shit, you ain't been popping it like that. You been just on your grind. Feel me? So you get to a point real quick, you know, because not everybody needs to know your secrets. You know what I'm saying? Shit, kind of like Batman. Nigga, you don't know he Batman, nigga. You don't know his real identity, nigga, until he told your ass. Feel me? That bitch had a motor on that bitch. I ain't even gonna lie. Hey, you built in the motor? Yeah. That been 5.
I built it. I got a business. Yeah. If you want me to build you one.
Also, you be building them joints?
Yeah, I got a business. I got customers. I build it.
Nah, it's alright. Nah, that shit cool. That shit fire though. Like, I be got there recording videos and shit. I be got there, you know what I'm saying? But like, hell yeah. Out of scratch. Like out of scratch. Like with the bike.
I'm sorry. Huh? I'm hot.
With the bike.
Yeah, the bike.
Yeah, like you built like.
Yeah, I built everything from the scratch, from everything.
Like DIY shit. Yeah, I feel that.
Wait.
Man. The DIY, like do it yourself.
Oh yeah.
Type shit, you know what I'm saying? Hey,
shit,
it's alright though.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, have a good one, man. So. Hell yeah, bro. It's all about doing it yourself, my nigga. I just want that nigga crank that bitch up right out there. That's all I kinda like. Trying to prolong the video real quick. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Nah, never mind. I'm gonna talk my shit till you rev that bitch up and goddamn take off. But yeah, man, it's all about doing it yourself, man. Like building an invention that you can get in and say, oh bro, like guess what? Like you can brag about it, like bro, that shit fire. It look like a little shield and shit. Hold on, bro. Let me zoom in on this shit. It's like a little bike though, but it is what it is. Because he made it high as hell. Shit. That nigga made an invention. It's a stupid a motorbike. It ain't out of scratch. Y'all gonna see when y'all see it. Like, why should be having it off camera? Like when I look at this shit. That nigga going on the bike. Nigga, I could be going fast and on the bike. Do a backflip, flip off that bit. You know what I'm saying? Take your hoe. Look at that logic plan. All one trick. Look at that. Nah, just one, but yeah. Smooth night, man. Hey, I got you. Keep putting the work in, man. Wait and see. Oh yeah. bit up. Don't look at me, then cut that bit up.
Ching, 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 yeah, the money is calling.
Hello?
Ching, 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 yeah, the money is calling.
Come on.
I'm in love with deposits.
Yo. Hey. Y'all ain't piped over there. Oh, y'all ain't piped over there either. What you doing? Hey, start them on, make a mosh pit. Let's do it.
Baby, I can never lie, I bang with truest. On the way, but not the south, but walk up, bitch, let's do it. This shit big, stand next to me and look like a druid. Get a pack, fuck up the defense, how I run right through it. Made that bitch squirt like a Fago. I'm tapping the back of the Draco. I just caught a bitch from the west side, but I'm finna go fucking Clayco. I'm step on shit like a tomato. My shooter pull up like a Waymo. I just gotta play for a whale. My bank account big as a whale. Ching, 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 ching.